In this video, we'll guide you through checking your MacBook's battery health and help you recognize when it's time for a replacement. Let's dive in. To assess your MacBook's battery health, click on the Apple icon in the upper left corner and select System Preferences. Navigate to Battery in the left sidebar and click on the eye icon next to Battery Health. Examine the percentage alongside Maximum Capacity. This indicates the battery health relative to its original state. If the percentage is lower, it could result in reduced usage hours between charges. To mitigate battery aging, toggle on Optimized Battery Charging. This feature instructs your Mac to conclude charging beyond 80%. Now, how do you recognize that it's time for a replacement? Consider a replacement when your battery capacity falls below 80%. Alternatively, pay attention to warnings about degraded battery conditions or the inability to hold a charge. You can check the status of your battery condition in the Battery Health section of your Mac. While you can often continue using a MacBook battery below 80% capacity, performance, runtime, and other aspects may decline. Now that you've learned how to check your Mac's battery health, how about stepping it up a bit? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these videos for even more tech enjoyment.